Hello, word study friends. Welcome to this week's word study test. Syllable juncture M number 22. Please make sure before you start this test that your autocorrect and predictive are off on your device. Here we are ready to start. Please listen carefully to the words. I'll use them in a sentence. Number 1, pumpkin. The other night we carved a pumpkin for Halloween. Pumpkin. Number 2, truly. I truly believe that you are super smart. Truly. Number 3, Tuesday. On Tuesday, we will be going to the library. Tuesday. Number 4, shampoo. I need to pick up some more shampoo when I go to Walmart. Shampoo. Number 5, pollute. It is wrong to pollute our environment. Pollute. Number 6, perfume. Her perfume was so strong it gave me a headache. Perfume. Number 7, uncle. My aunt and uncle are coming for dinner tomorrow night. Uncle. Number 8, cartoon. Do you have a favorite cartoon? Cartoon. Number 9, excuse. Please excuse the noise in the background. It's my dog Claude chewing on his toy. Excuse. And number 10, beauty. We should see the beauty in everyday things. Beauty. If you need to re-listen to this video for your words, please do so. Don't forget, number 11 is your discovery. Thanks again. Have a great day. I'll see you next week.